In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Calendar with ClickUp. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end of this video, your Google Calendar events will appear right inside ClickUp's calendar view. This is really helpful if you manage tasks in ClickUp, but still rely on Google Calendar for meetings and time blocks, because it keeps everything in one place and reduces the need to switch between tabs. First, go ahead and log into your ClickUp account in your browser. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different views and options. From there, switch to the calendar view, sometimes called the planner view. If you don't see it right away, look for an option that mentions calendar and click that to open it. When the calendar view loads, you should see an option to connect or view a Google Calendar. Click that Google Calendar option. As soon as you do this, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up is how you authorize ClickUp to access your Google account. In the pop-up, you may see a list of Google accounts that are already logged in on your browser. If the calendar you want to connect is tied to one of those accounts, simply select it. If not, choose the option to use another account and sign in with the correct Google email and password. Take your time here and make sure you're using the account that has the calendar you actually want to sync. After you sign in or select your account, the pop-up will refresh and show you the permissions that ClickUp is requesting. This usually includes access to view your calendars and manage events. Read through this carefully so you understand what you're allowing. When you're comfortable with it, click Continue. Next, you may be asked to confirm exactly what ClickUp can access. Depending on your setup, you might see multiple calendars under the same Google account. Choose the calendars you want ClickUp to work with. Then confirm again by clicking Continue. Once you've done that, the authorization process is complete. Your ClickUp calendar view will refresh automatically, and you should start seeing your Google Calendar events appear right inside ClickUp. If they don't show up immediately, give it a moment and try refreshing the page. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar with ClickUp.